Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to make uploaded TikTok videos private. TikTok users are able to change their videos view settings after posting them on the app. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Go to your TikTok profile tab and press on a video that privacy settings you would like to change. After that, tap the three dots icon on the right-hand side of the video screen. Go right on the bottom menu until you see the privacy settings option. Click on it. Hit the Who can watch this video section in order to open it. Now select the Only Me option. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make uploaded TikTok videos private. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.